Hey, Donna.
What?
Donna.
What?
Hey, I won the Battle of the Sexes, didn't I?
Yes, you did.
With my Cheyenne 50 quilt, didn't I?
Yes, you did.
I promised to donate to St. Labra Indian School for Children $1 for every vote I got.
Yes, he did.
How many votes did I get?
There were 172 people who voted, and you got 165, and I got 1, maybe 2.
What about the other 3 or 4?
Well, they were spread among all the other people. So
Hey, I think-
165.
I think I was a big success, huh?
Yeah, you were.
Well,
He's good. So how much would that be? 165, and you're going to match every one of those dollars.
well, I can do that. That would be what, 330?
Yeah.
I can do 330.
Okay. So you're going to write a check?
Well, yes. Here's
Okay.
do you remember that fabric?
I do.
Yeah.
Okay. So you write a check for $330.
Okay.
But what I would like for you to do is add this check to that from Fabric Cafe,
Oh my goodness.
because Fabric Cafe thinks you're wonderful. So Fabric Cafe is going to match that with another $330. So the school for,
Well,
what is it called? The
St. Labra School for Indian Children. Most of the children are Cheyenne. That's why I named the quilt Cheyenne, and I've been supporting them for 50 years, so I called it Cheyenne 50. And the children of St. Labra School say thank you in their language, ahoy, or something like that.
All right. So
Okay,
he's going to
so-
write a check. He's going to put this one in there, and we thank you
so-
for voting.
Thanks again for voting for my quilt Cheyenne 50.